Let's talk about Bitcoin. Just understand Bitcoin, a gold or diamond, but rather than digging it into the ground, you dig it into your computer. Each Bitcoin is worth lakh rupees or worth $1,000. It has become so popular that even the most famous entrepreneurs like Elon Musk and Bill Gates are talking about it. So before you also join the Bitcoin train, it's something that lots of people put lots of money in it, in something they don't understand. Just understand it like a currency where you can buy and sell things. But now people are using it to make more money. And you will also do the same because your friend is doing it. Or because Tesla had made some big announcement. Cryptocurrency is great and it's here to stay. But when you have people who do not understand anything about it, we have a problem.
To solve this problem, we had one expert on our show, Mr. Rohas Nagpal. So let's understand it. What is Bitcoin?
Now let's say you're getting married. So now when you get married, people take the photograph. Now suppose only one person takes the photograph on one camera. So chances are that that information can be deleted, lost, hacked. But now imagine all the guests there, they take your photograph and then they all put it on their social media. So now suddenly you have that same piece of information in 30 different places. Now, doesn't it become more secure? It is very difficult for someone to go to all those 30 social media accounts and delete the information. That's what a blockchain is like. You can create hundreds of nodes, and the same data or the same information is spread across all those nodes. This makes it very difficult for a hacker to come and remove and change all that information, because that hacker will have to go and hack into hundreds of computers. So fundamentally, in a very simple language, that's what a blockchain does. And now on top of this blockchain, when we run a currency kind of a system, actually they are assets. It is not right to say use the word currency here, because people then get the wrong idea. Any kind of an asset can be created on this blockchain. It could be shares of a company, it could be rupees, dollars, this kind of a currency. It could be loyalty points of a company also. Anything like this. When it is run on top of a blockchain, we call it a crypto. I hope that was simple enough to understand.
And this is the idea of decentralization that will not only come from the West, but from the rest.